What if I told you that just 3 money habits separate the stressed from the financially free? And the best part? You can start all of them today. Welcome to your journey toward financial freedom. Imagine a life where money isn't a source of stress but a tool to create opportunities and freedom. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a better way to manage your finances, mastering personal finance is the first step toward building wealth and achieving your dreams. The good news? You don't need to be a math wizard or an investment guru to take control of your financial future. All it takes is a willingness to learn, a bit of discipline, and a commitment to making smarter choices with your money. Build the foundation. Budgeting and saving. The cornerstone of personal finance is creating a budget that works for you. Think of a budget as the roadmap to your financial goals. It helps you understand where your money is going and ensures you're spending intentionally. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Identify areas where you can cut back, even if it's just small changes like skipping unnecessary subscriptions or eating out less often. Once you've freed up some cash, focus on saving. Aim to build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will give you peace of mind and protect you from unexpected financial setbacks. Make your money work for you. The power of investing. Saving money is essential, but investing is what truly unlocks the potential for wealth. When you invest, your money grows over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. If you're new to investing, start simple. Consider opening a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA, and contribute regularly. Look into low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and lower risk compared to individual stocks. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market. It's about staying consistent and letting your money grow over years, even decades. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Adopt a wealth-building mindset. Building wealth isn't just about numbers. It's also about mindset. Shift your perspective from instant gratification to long-term thinking. Every dollar you save or invest today brings you closer to financial independence tomorrow. Educate yourself by reading books, watching videos, or following trusted personal finance experts. Surround yourself with people who inspire and encourage smart financial habits. And most importantly, celebrate your progress, whether it's paying off debt, hitting a savings milestone, or making your first investment. Small wins lead to big results. Your financial future starts today. Mastering personal finance is a journey, not a destination. It's about taking one step at a time, learning as you go, and staying committed to your goals. The path to wealth might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, every great achievement starts with a single decision to begin. You have the power to transform your financial future, no matter where you're starting from. So take that first step today. Create a budget, start saving, or open an investment account. Your future self will thank you for it.